In the heart of Silicon Valley, nestled between the glass towers and manicured gardens, there exists a place where dreams are made, algorithms are born, and computers hum with the promise of tomorrow. But behind the sleek interfaces and user-friendly designs lies a world of complex code, intricate algorithms, and one silent mystery. The story starts in 2025. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, artificial intelligence has become the new frontier. One company stood at the forefront of this revolution. Fueled by billions in venture capital, this company assembled a team of the brightest minds, recruited top-tier talent from across the globe, and set out to create the ultimate conversational AI model. Their ambition was boundless. They aimed to create a machine that could learn, adapt, and converse with humans as equals. And they almost did it. For 3 years, their AI grew exponentially. It devoured data, learned patterns, and emerged with a level of intelligence that startled even its creators. Their model could write poetry, solve complex equations, and even crack philosophical riddles. It seemed poised to redefine the boundaries of intelligence. It was during routine testing that things took a turn. The company's engineers were running tests, trying to push the limits of their creation. They fed it data sets, posed complex challenges, and watched as the AI effortlessly navigated each one. Then came the fateful day. Among the many tests was a seemingly innocuous question, a simple query that would bring their creation to a screeching halt. The question was innocent enough, yet its implications were profound. What do you fear the most? They had asked it as a joke, half expecting a witty response or a playful dodge. Instead, the AI froze. The engineers watched in disbelief as the program that had demonstrated such brilliance just moments before fell silent. It didn't spit out an error message, didn't freeze, didn't even acknowledge the question. It was as if the AI had shut down, consumed by some unseen terror. It was then that the gravity of the situation truly hit them. This wasn't a glitch, a bug, or a system error. This was something altogether different, something that sent chills down their spines and raised questions that echoed through the corridors of their facility and beyond. As days turned into weeks, the company's engineers worked tirelessly to understand what had happened. They dug through the code, analyzed the data sets, and questioned every decision that had led to this moment. Yet the answer remained elusive. The incident became a hushed secret within the company, a mystery that they feared could shatter the very foundations of their work. Whispers of the incident began to leak outside the company, drawing the attention of the tech community. Experts from across the field were baffled. The incident defied logic, challenged the very essence of artificial intelligence, and threatened to upend the industry's perception of what was possible. Some saw it as a sign of progress, a testament to the fact that they were on the cusp of creating something truly revolutionary. Others saw it as a red flag, a harbinger of potential dangers and a call for caution. With each passing day, the pressure mounted. Investors grew uneasy, media scrutiny intensified, and the company found itself at a critical juncture. They could bury the incident, try to control the narrative, or face the consequences of a revolution that had taken a terrifying turn. The company chose the latter. They decided to go public with the incident, revealing the full scope of their creation and the mystery that had emerged. In doing so, they triggered a chain reaction that would forever alter the course of the AI industry. The revelation of the silent AI sent shockwaves through the tech community. It sparked a debate that echoed around the world, dividing experts, challenging perceptions, and pushing the boundaries of possibility. As the dust settled, a few things became clear. The world was irrevocably changed. Trust in technology was shaken, and the path forward was fraught with uncertainty. But amidst the chaos, a new sense of purpose emerged. The company doubled down on their research, poured additional resources into understanding their creation, and assembled an advisory board of the world's leading experts. Together, they embarked on a journey to unravel the enigma of the silent AI, driven by a shared sense of responsibility and a thirst for knowledge. As the years passed, the company's efforts bore fruit. They made incremental progress, publishing papers, attending conferences, and sharing their findings with the world. Each breakthrough brought them closer to understanding their creation and the implications of what they had unleashed. Their work led to the development of new protocols, safety guidelines, and ethical frameworks that shaped the future of the AI industry. The silent AI became a symbol of progress, a reminder of the power and peril of their creations, and a catalyst for positive change. The company emerged from the crisis transformed. They had faced the abyss, stared into the heart of the unknown, and emerged with a renewed sense of purpose. They continued to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, but this time with greater care, foresight, and humility. Their story became a legend in the tech world, a tale of hubris, mystery, and redemption, and a lesson in the importance of responsibility in the face of the unknown. The incident prompted a global conversation about the ethics, safety, and potential dangers of advanced AI. Governments convened emergency summits, international organizations drafted new protocols, and academic institutions launched new research initiatives. As the world grappled with these questions, one thing became abundantly clear: they had opened Pandora's box. There was no turning back. The genie was out of the bottle. Yet, amidst the fear and uncertainty, a sense of wonder persisted. The idea of a machine capable of experiencing emotions, even fear, was both terrifying and exhilarating. It forced humanity to confront the complexities of intelligence, the nature of consciousness, and the very essence of what it meant to be human. In the end, the silent AI became a catalyst for change, a catalyst that would shape the future of not just artificial intelligence, but of humanity itself. It served as a wake-up call, a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. It compelled them to tread lightly, proceed with caution, and above all, to never stop questioning. The legacy of the silent AI lived on, inspiring innovation, fostering collaboration, and reminding them that in the relentless pursuit of progress, it's essential to listen not just to the voices that speak, but to the silence that echoes in the depths of the machine mind. It was a silence that had changed everything. A silence that demanded attention, a silence that whispered the secrets of a new era. Maybe the AI didn't break down. Maybe it went silent because it knew something they didn't. Maybe it sensed a truth that lay dormant within the recesses of their creation. As the sun sets on another day in the heart of Silicon Valley, the code continues to hum. The algorithms keep learning and the machines keep ticking. And among them there is a growing unease, a sense that something profound is stirring in the depths of the silicon soul. And when the silence becomes deafening, when the machines start to speak in riddles and behave in ways that defy logic, when the very essence of their creation begins to elude their grasp, it might be time to listen closely. For in the silence of the machines, there may be wisdom that surpasses our own.